Hi, Chuck Huber here for the Stata YouTube channel. In Stata 16, we introduced meta-analysis, which allows you to study an outcome across multiple studies. You can summarize the results of the studies, create forest plots, examine heterogeneity of the results across studies, fit meta-regression models, and check for publication bias. In Stata 17, we have expanded our meta-analysis suite to include Leave One Out meta-analysis. Leave One Out meta-analysis is useful for exploring the influence of a single study on the overall effect size estimate. You can do this by adding the Leave One Out option to meta-summarize or meta-forest plot. Or you can use the meta-analysis control panel. Simply click on Summary and check the box next to Leave One Out meta-analysis. You can do the same thing with a forest plot. You can learn more about Leave One Out meta-analysis by visiting our website and downloading the manual. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for stopping by.